Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will use my new toys from Splash and Color Company. If you saw, I used this funnel yesterday and it has this part 2 and 3 of those that you can, use with funnel, or I decided that I will use it just with like an open cup for a flower or something. We will see how this will work. You see, because it has this bottom here. And I will just try to... No. So the colors, I will use some golden Spain's gray and Pebeo iridescent precious gold and Pebeo iridescent blue green and Amsterdam expert series indanthrene blue. And let's put this kind of in the middle. It's not in the middle at all. Okay, maybe I should and I will pour some white around. The paint will be able to start flowing. No, I will not add white here, so I will pour a little of Spain's gray and iridescent blue green and gold and indanthrene blue and I will drizzle a little bit of this mixture with white with polyurethane satin varnish. And let's go with Payne's gray again. Perfect. Let me show you how it looks. And I will torch it real quick because I see quite some air bubbles. Okay, and I will spin this out. I just think that I will just try to cover this just instead, in case that I will like it before it will hit the sides, or how can I say, and I can keep it if I have this covered nicely. Okay, so just one more spin because I want to stretch this a little bit more. Perfect. I really like this. And it will definitely dry gorgeous because of this iridescent and metallic paints. So okay. Here is a close-up. And I'm really happy how those lines stayed. Quite shimmery too, and it will be probably really beautiful when it will be dry. And the center, I think that it's just so cute with a little bit of white in the middle. So I have to say that I'm really happy with this one. It's kind of simple, but it has something really beautiful in it. So yay for my new toy. Really beautiful for flowers. And I have, you know, 2 more to try, but I really love this one. Tell me in the comments what you think about it. Do you like it too, or just me? And see you on the next one. Bye.